Cardano idea holders, how are you? Hope you're fine now, my friends. In this video, I'm talking about the Cardano idea quick jump, my friends. Absolutely, the Cardano starting a quick jump, and this time you can see here, this time the price for pump, you can see here, absolutely this time the Cardano price very fastly moving up in a cryptocurrencies market. The Cardano is going to the moon. The last 1 hour, last 1 day, last 1 week change is occurring. The Cardano is positive, my friends. The all changes is positive. So that's mean that Cardano will make you millionaire in this July month. Absolutely hope they continue this pump for a long time. But you know what? Unfortunately, I think that there's a chances to the price will pump. Will falls down in the future, my friends. For some time, my friends, for 1 week, for 2 weeks, there is a chances to the price falls down, my friends. But after 1-2 weeks, the price will again explode. I also believe that after some paise falls down, the price will again explode. So that's why I'm telling you that don't worry, my friends, don't worry. Just enjoy the quick jump of the Cardano ADA, my friends. Absolutely, now just time the price of the Cardano, it is ADA is 1.37 USD dollar, and in the last of this July month, in the last of July, the Cardano price will be 2 USD dollar. That's my target for a Cardano ADA, my friends. Anyways, what is your target? What is your opinion about Cardano ADA? Please share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos, my friends. Absolutely, ABS Tech channel will guide you what should we do in this critical situation. What is your opinion about Cardano ADA? I will guide you how you can make money with the cryptocurrencies market. So keep watch ABS Tech channel, my friends.